Home entertainment expert Brad Sundberg has installed more than a few professional sound systems for outdoor spaces, so he has a pretty good idea of what works and what doesn't.
The first mistake a lot of people make is they'll take two speakers, put them on either side of the porch, and have that shoot out to the yard and hope that's going to do it. But even us standing here talking, you can hear there's traffic, there's just more noise in an outdoor environment than there is in your family room. So my approach is always, I want to do a perimeter around the whole yard. If the client can afford 4 speakers or 6 speakers, even 8, the more speakers I can get out there, the more I can disperse that sound and get away from loud audio screaming on the porch and you can't hear it out on the other side of the yard. One of the things that I like to do is give a sense of stereo wherever you are in the yard. I'm going to go left, right, left, right, left, right, all the way around the yard. It's a simple little trick that we do, but if you do it right, it's pretty incredible how the sound just works wherever you happen to be.